Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with the contents of postpartum blues or depression. What is postpartum depression? Postpartum blues, also known as baby blues and maternity blues, it is a very common but self-limited condition that begins shortly after childbirth and can present with a variety of symptoms such as mood swings, irritability and tearfulness. What are causes of postpartum depression? The exact cause is not clear, but there are some factors that may contribute to postpartum depression. Postpartum depression may be triggered by a combination of physical changes and emotional stresses. The physical factors, which include one of the biggest physical changes after giving birth, involves the hormones. While you are pregnant, your levels of estrogen and progesterone are higher than usual. Within hours of giving birth, hormone level drop back to their previous state. This abrupt change may lead to depression. Some other physical factors may include low thyroid hormone levels, sleep deprivation, inadequate diet, underlying medical condition, drug and alcohol misuse, emotional factors. You may be more likely to develop postpartum depression if you have had a mood disorder in the past or if mood disorders run in your family. The emotional stressors may include recent divorce or death of a loved one, your child having serious health problem, social isolation, financial burdens, lack of support, etc. The risk factors. The study found that women who had depression were more likely to be younger, less educated, publicly insured, African American, etc. What are the symptoms of postpartum depression? The symptoms of postpartum depression vary person to person and even day to day. If you have postpartum depression, chances are you are familiar with several of these indicators. You feel sad or cry a lot, even when you don't know why. You are exhausted, but you can't sleep. You sleep too much. You can't stop eating, or you are not interested in food at all. You have various unexplained aches, pains, or illness. You don't know why you are irritable, anxious, or angry. Your mood changes suddenly and without warning. You feel out of control. You have difficulty in remembering things. You can't concentrate or make a simple decisions. You have no interest in things you used to enjoy. You feel disconnected from your baby and wonder why you are not filled with joy like you thought you would be. Everything feels overwhelming and hopeless. You feel worthless and guilty about your feelings. You feel like you can't open up to anyone because they will think you are a bad mother or take your baby, so you withdraw. You want to escape from everyone and everything. You have intrusive thoughts about harming yourself or your baby. Your friends and family may notice that you are withdrawing from them and from social activities, or that you just don't seem like yourself. What are the treatment for postpartum depression? There are two main treatments for postpartum depression, which include medication and therapy. Either one can be used alone, but they may be more effective when used together. It's also important to make some healthy choices in your daily routine. It may take a few tries to find out what treatment works for you. Keep open communication with your doctor. Medications. Antidepressants have a direct effect on the brain. They alter the chemicals that regulate the mood. They won't work right away though. It can take several weeks of taking the medication before you notice a difference in your mood. You have to note that some people have side effects while taking antidepressants. These may include fatigue, decreased sexual drive, and dizziness. If side effect seems to be making your symptoms worse, tell your doctor right away. Hormonal therapy. If your estrogen levels are low, your doctor may recommend hormonal therapy. Therapy. A psychiatrist, psychologist, or other mental health professional can provide counseling. Therapy can help you make sense of destructive thoughts and offer strategies for working through them. Self-care. This part of treatment may be a little more difficult than it sounds. Practicing self-care means cutting yourself some slacks. Treatment helps most women feel better within 6 months, though it can take longer. Are there natural remedies for postpartum depression? Postpartum depression is serious and not something you should attempt to treat without a doctor's input. Along with medical treatment, the natural remedies such as exercises and getting the right amount of sleep can help improve the symptoms. Massage, meditation, or other mindfulness practices may help you feel better. Maintain a diet high in nutrients but low in processed food. If you are not getting the nutrients you need in your diet, ask your doctor to recommend the right dietary supplement. Thank you. Have a nice day.